Welcome to the Knowledge Paradise KP YouTube channel. The topic of this video is AutoCAD. AutoCAD or computer aided designing is actually the usage of computers for creation, modification and analysis of a design. For example, we can create different parts and assemble them as a single machine, like engines, cycles, screwdrivers and much more. AutoCAD is a very vast field. We can use different softwares for this purpose, but currently I am using Solidworks 2017. So keep your seatbelts tight because we are moving to the new world of AutoCAD. Welcome to the new world of AutoCAD. Currently I am using SolidWorks 2017, but you can use different softwares like Autodesk, Creo Parametric and much more. Let's start. First of all, select this file option, then go to new tab. Here it is showing three different options to me. Number 1 is parts, number 2 is assembly and number 3 is drawing. In order to create different parts, for example, we want to create a whole bicycle, then we have to create its different parts like handle, tires, pedals, seat. For the creation of all these parts, we use this parts section of SolidWorks. Similarly, in order to assemble all those parts in a whole bicycle, we use this assembly section, and in order to create the drawings or sketches of those parts which we created in this parts section, we use this drawing section. So let's open it. Just click on it, press this OK button. It will take almost 2 to 3 seconds to open a new window. You have to wait here. We have got a new window here. So here in this part section, here you are seeing a lot of options, lot of different commands like shown here. We have different types of tabs here: dim, expert, sketch, SolidWorks add-ins, features, evaluate. We also have some different commands. We also have different commands here. We have some options here as well. We have model, 3D views, motion study and much more. The main topic of this video is to explore the extruded boss base command and extruded cut command. Currently, extruded cut command is not showing yet, but it will show after some time. We use extruded boss or extruded base command, right shown here, in order to create solid parts in 3D, having proper dimensions. And we use extruded cut command in order to create holes, hollow structures. And during this video, I will also use 2 to 3 other commands as well. Number 1 of them is smart dimensioning. I will also use this frame entity command. It is not showing here, but I will use it after some time. And also I will use these sketches. First of all, just select a front plane, or you can also select top plane, but I think front plane will be perfect. Front plane, go to sketch mode. It will automatically normalize. Now select a center rectangle from here. Use this origin as the origin of your sketch or the origin of your design. So let's start. Yes, this is perfect. Now press this OK button. Now I will use smart dimensioning option. Smart dimension, click on this line. 6 inches will be perfect. 6 inches is the length of this rectangle. Similarly, click on this line. 4 inches will be perfect. Press this OK button. Now press this OK button. Now I will use trim entities. Just select it and move your mouse or cursor over these lines. It will automatically delete them. Now press OK button. Now I am going to use extruded boss base command. Select it, rotate it so 1 inch is perfect. Now press this OK button. By using extruded boss base command, we created a 3D structure. Now I am going to use extruded cut command. Normalize it, select this option. Here you can see that it is showing me normal to option. Click on it, it will automatically normalize. Firstly, select this surface, go to sketch mode. First select this line where I am going to use the technique of diagonals. Select this point and create a line from this point to this point. Again select line and now create a line from this point to this point. Now select this circle option, click on the center and create a circle. Press this OK button. Now use trim entities command to delete these lines. Move your cursor, also delete these lines as well. Press this OK button. Now I am going to use the command of extruded cut. Before using extruded cut commands, dimension it. Click on it. It is showing me that it is of 2.7 inches. 2.5 inches will be perfect. Press OK button. Yes. Now I am going to use extruded cut command. Just rotate it, select through all, and press this OK button. Firstly, I used extruded boss base command in order to create solid structure, and then in order to create a hollow structure right in the middle, I use extruded cut command. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.